In today's video, we'll go over Yanolja Cloud Solution versus Little Hotelier. We're going to put these two powerful hotel management systems head-to-head to help you figure out which one is the absolute right fit for your property.
If you're running a small property, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It can feel like pure chaos, right? You're juggling reservations, answering guest emails, and trying to keep your availability synced across a dozen different websites. It's a lot. And honestly, the right tool isn't just a luxury, it's absolutely essential to stay sane and successful.
So what's the solution? Well, it's something called a cloud-based property management system, or PMS for short. Think of it as the central command center for your entire operation. Instead of being chained to one computer at the front desk, you can manage everything: bookings, billing, even housekeeping schedules, from literally anywhere you have an internet connection. It's the real backbone of any modern hotel.
So, here's what we've got on tap for today. We're going to kick things off with the core dilemma facing hoteliers right now. Then we'll explore the very different philosophies behind each platform, do a deep dive comparing features, break down the costs, and most importantly, help you find your perfect fit.
You know, picking a PMS isn't just about getting new software. It's a massive strategic decision. The right system can totally boost your occupancy, streamline your day, and grow your profits. But the wrong one? It just creates headaches, wastes time, and costs you money.
So today we're looking at two major players in this space, Little Hotelier and Yanolja Cloud. And what's fascinating is that they each offer a completely different path to solving those big challenges we just talked about. This whole comparison really boils down to two very distinct philosophies. On one side, you have this simple, all-in-one solution that's all about immediate ease of use. And on the other, you have a powerful, scalable ecosystem that's really built for future growth.
So let's meet our contenders. Little Hotelier, which comes from the industry giant SiteMinder, is laser-focused on smaller properties. We're talking B&Bs, guest houses, maybe 1 to 30 rooms. Their entire philosophy is built around simplicity and speed. Yanolja Cloud is a whole different story. It's part of a massive South Korean tech company, and their solution is less of a single product and more of a whole ecosystem of tools, all designed to scale right alongside your business as it gets bigger.
All right, now for the main event, the feature and usability showdown. Let's really dig into what these platforms can do and what it feels like to use them day to day.
Okay, at a glance, both platforms cover the essentials, right? You get a PMS, a channel manager to sync with sites like Booking.com and Expedia, and a booking engine for your own website. But the real difference is in the details. Yanolja's PMS is way more comprehensive, handling things like housekeeping and detailed billing, and its tools for revenue and managing multiple properties are just far more advanced. They're built for serious growth right from day one.
Everything about Little Hotelier's user experience just screams simplicity and speed. The interface is super intuitive and there's almost no learning curve. I mean, you can get set up in under an hour. It's perfect for that busy owner who's thinking, I just need something that works right now out of the box.
Yanolja Cloud, on the other hand, offers this sleek, modern interface that's just packed with advanced, scalable features. Now, because it does so much more, it might take a little bit of onboarding to get the hang of it, but the payoff is huge. Incredibly powerful analytics that give you these deep insights into your business. It's really ideal for any property that's planning to expand.
But here's where things get really interesting. A bit of a plot twist, actually. While Little Hotelier is famous for being simple, when you look at verified reviews on Hotel Tech Report, both platforms score exceptionally well for ease of use. And get this, Yanolja Cloud actually has a slight edge. It just goes to show you that powerful doesn't always have to mean difficult.
Next up, let's talk about two factors that are critical for any business owner: how well the software plays with others, and of course, what it's going to cost you.
When it comes to integrations, their different philosophies are on full display again. Little Hotelier is a very clean, all-in-one solution that connects to the absolute essentials you need. Yanolja, true to its ecosystem approach, offers this huge range of integrations, which lets you build a much more customized tech setup.
And what about pricing? Little Hotelier keeps it really straightforward with transparent, fixed-fee plans, which creates a very low barrier to entry for small properties. Yanolja Cloud uses a more flexible, modular subscription. You basically pay for the features and capacity you need, which allows your plan to grow and scale right along with your business.
Okay, so we've covered a ton of ground. How in the world do you actually decide which one is for you? Let's break it down with a simple framework. Let's just boil this all down. Little Hotelier's biggest strength is its all-in-one simplicity. It's fast and easy, but that's also its weakness because it limits how much you can scale. Yanolja Cloud is the exact opposite. It's incredibly scalable and feature-rich, but all that power might be more complex and more expensive than a really small property actually needs.
So let's make this super practical. Choose Little Hotelier if you run a small, single property and your #1 priority is simplicity and speed. Choose Yanolja Cloud if you have plans to grow, if you already manage multiple properties, or if you need those robust, data-driven analytics to really optimize your business.
Okay, let's bring it all home by talking about your property and, more importantly, its future.
This quote from Yanolj's CEO really just captures their entire mindset perfectly. For them, it's not just about providing software. It's about this relentless drive for leadership and innovation, and that really reinforces their whole philosophy of building for growth.
So it really all comes down to this. Little Hotelier is an amazing, simple solution for running your property efficiently today. Yanolja Cloud is the scalable, powerful choice for building your properties tomorrow.
And that really leaves us with one final question for you to think about. What kind of future are you building for your property? Are you focused on mastering effortless simplicity for how you operate right now? Or are you building a business designed for powerful scalability for all the years to come? The right answer to that question will point you directly to your perfect PMS.